body of senior advocates of Nigeria is demanding a probe into the invasion, and they say the troubling aspect of the incident was the audacity with which some of the actors entered the courtroom, thereby exposing a hallmark of indiscipline to the whole world. A representative of the senior lawyers, Mr. Thomas Okpoko, made the comment at a valedictory session for Justice Kumai Akaa in Abuja.
It's a gathering of members of the bar and the bench, retired jurists, friends, family and well-wishers at a valedictory session for Justice Kumai Akas of the Supreme Court.
Of the various jurisdictions.
Even though the event eased the send forth of a jurist who has served the country for 33 years, it was an avenue for legal practitioners to bear their minds on the current events in the nation's judiciary.
The body of senior advocate hereby demands that our president considers without delay the setting up of a Judicial Commission of Enquiry to hear publicly and determine the perpetrators of the acts, their sponsors, and their objectives.
Also of concern to the body of senior lawyers and the Nigerian Bar Association is the constant flouting of court orders by some organizations.
We urge the courts to demonstrate that they are not toothless in sanctioning persons who flagrantly disobey and flout court orders. They need to be denied audience before any and all courts during the pendency of their contemptuous conduct. They need to know that disobedience of court orders can be and is costly.
At a separate meeting of the Justices of the Appeal Court, the Chief Justice of Nigeria, in answering questions on the intimidation of the judiciary, has this to say.
Mr. Mbaba is, Honorable Justice Mbaba is saying that we have a lot to blame, we ourselves, because the executive, yes, has to execute, and the position of judiciary in Nigeria, we are still facing a lot of intimidations here and there. So he says we have a lot to blame, we ourselves, meaning in other words that we are a contributing factor to whatever happens to us. Now, I don't know where to start. Now, you see, our profession does not encourage us to go a-begging. And we cannot do that. But otherwise, a committee should have been set up. Let it go and discuss with the officials of government, that is the executive.
The judiciary has been in the eye of the storm in recent times, and it may just be time for stakeholders to stand up and be firm to preserve the rule of law.